Have you ever dreamt of running a successful online business? Picture it now, unlocking the secrets of a seven-figure income. The road to online success begins with a dream and the guts to chase it. It's not about having a complicated plan or a hefty budget. It's about courage and the will to persist. It's about learning to navigate the digital sea, steering your own ship to success. Starting your online business doesn't have to be complicated or costly, but it demands effort and persistence. That's where the seven-figure online business blueprint comes in. Our blueprint is your guide, helping entrepreneurs, whether you have a product or not. To steer your ship towards the shores of success, you need a compass, a map, and a relentless spirit. This compass is your unwavering vision. The map is our blueprint. Now let's talk about the basics. The first step to launching your online business is securing your space on the internet. This is where domains come in. Think of buying a domain as staking your claim in the virtual world. Once you have your domain, you need to link it to a website. But how do you create a website from scratch? Well, that's where our blueprint guides you. It will walk you through every step of the process, from crafting your website's design to filling it with compelling content. Equip yourself with the essential tools, a spirit of relentlessness and a quickness to learn. Dive into the basics of online business and watch your knowledge grow. Why choose us? Years of experience, professionals as your guides, and 24/7 online access tailored to your pace. You might ask, what makes us stand out? The answer lies in our dedication to your success. With the seven-figure online business blueprint, you're not just getting a course, you're getting a partnership. We're here to guide you through the intricacies of internet marketing, step by step, day by day. Our team of seasoned professionals is always at your disposal, ready to answer your questions and help you overcome any obstacles on your path to success. Moreover, our blueprint is designed to match your pace. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, you can access our comprehensive video courses anytime, anywhere. And if you're still having second thoughts, we've got you covered. We're so confident in the value of our blueprint that we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's right, 2 whole months to decide if this is the right fit for you. Plus a 60-day money-back guarantee if you decide to pay. Your journey to success starts with us. Don't wait, dive in today. Unlock 32 comprehensive video courses covering everything you need to kickstart your internet business journey. Dive headfirst into our extensive library of tailored video courses designed to arm you with the tools for success. Whether you're just starting out or are looking to elevate your existing business, we've got a course for you. Let's start with the basics. Our sales funnel course is designed to help you understand how to effectively guide potential customers from their first interaction with your business all the way through to a successful sale. It's about creating a smooth journey for your customers, and we'll show you how. Next, we delve into the world of affiliate marketing. Learn how to leverage the power of partnership to boost your online presence and drive sales. We'll guide you through creating profitable partnerships and crafting strategies that really pay off. If you're looking to make a big impact, our course on crafting high-ticket offers is a must. Discover how to create and promote offers that your customers won't be able to resist, and watch your revenue soar. We also delve into market analysis secrets, equipping you with the skills to understand your audience and tailor your business to meet their needs. Knowledge is power, and with this course, you'll have the power to succeed. Finally, master the art of online advertising with our courses on Google AdWords and Facebook ads. Learn how to create compelling ads that reach the right people at the right time, driving traffic and conversions. From sales funnel basics to affiliate marketing strategies, crafting a high-ticket offer, market analysis secrets, Google AdWords mastery to the fundamentals of Facebook ads, we've got you covered. Join us and discover the mindset, tactics, and techniques that lead to online success. The journey starts now. Picture yourself a year from now, having mastered the intricacies of online marketing, owning a thriving business, and reveling in the satisfaction of a dream realized. This could be your reality with the seven-figure online business blueprint. You see, every great journey begins with a single step, and this is yours. We're not just offering a course, but a roadmap to your success, a blueprint to your dreams. And the best part, you don't have to journey alone. Our team of experienced professionals will be your guides, your mentors, every step of the way. So, are you ready to take that step? Are you ready to chase that dream? The time is now. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to start your free journey with the seven-figure online business blueprint. Your success story begins here.